at St. Joseph's Hospital in Tampa. The pandemic is peaking daily.
This is not normal.
Nurse Jamie Lillo says just yesterday she brought 4 patients to the morgue.
I went home last night and I was mad. For sure. Because I don't need to be doing this right now. We could have avoided this whole wave if more people in our country had gone and just gotten 2 shots.
The Baycare Health System now has about 1,200 COVID patients, shattering its previous record of 700 last summer.
This is one of the COVID ICUs. There's 26 beds here, and right now 25 of them are full. The hospital has set up overflow beds in other parts of the facility.
The amount of deaths and dying that we're seeing is, in my whole nursing career, I've never seen anything like it.
Ambulances often have to wait here to drop off patients, or they're rerouted to other hospitals that are also stretched thin.
For example, if we're on critical care bypass, we're saying that we don't have beds or staff to provide care for critical care patients.
So now, essentially, you're diverting ambulances about half the time now because you just don't have the beds.
Exactly.
Across the country, new COVID cases are up about 12% over the previous week. Hospitalizations stayed about the same, but deaths are up 23%.
I think the only chance we have is vaccination, and that's it.
Among healthcare workers, the emotional toll is measured in long shifts and longer memories. Just this week, Jamie Lillo helped care for a fellow nurse who came down with COVID and did not survive.
It could be me. It could be any nurse. It could be anyone we know. And once you're in the bed in the ICU, you don't have any control anymore. I'm still here and I'm still trying, but I want to make people better. That's what I do, and I can't, and it's awful.
Gabe, I vividly remember you reporting in so many hospitals at the start of the pandemic. Here we are now with a vaccine and still seeing hospitals so packed. What's it like?
Lester, it's very surprising. I, along with many healthcare workers a few months ago, doubted it would get this bad. But here at this hospital, it is the worst it's ever been. Of course, it's not like this everywhere, but for healthcare workers here and other places going through surges, it is incredibly frustrating.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.